Hello, it's Lael here. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Ochres of Provence, and because they're all sort of sorted and everything now. I know I did a sort of wishy-washy one when we were in Provence, and these are the sets. So you can see how I've packaged them. So you've got different sets here: rouge and the green and the whites. And this is set A, and this is set B, which is the much more earthy ones. Really good if you're doing, especially for landscapes. And then of course these were the set C, which are the two I couldn't resist. They cost a lot more, but I just thought they'd be so nice to have. You can use them in so many different ways. If you've got I'm actually got a blue here. I'll put a little bit just to mix here, tiny little bit, and then some gum arabic for watercolor. I probably should get a clean out of my collection of spoons, and a little bit of gum arabic, and we'll just mix them together. And here, a little bit of water. It's a beautiful colour, the blue, and you can use them of course on any surfaces here, just like you would use a watercolour paint. And I'm using them on not a particularly good paper, but it picks it up very well. So that's with the gum arabic. But then you can use them on many other surfaces. So let's put them there. If you use matte medium, if you're doing like that, we'll just put a little bit down here. So any of the mediums you have, depending on what you're working on. So matte medium, fluid medium, gloss medium, and if you're using on textiles, textile medium, and other ones there. So I'll put a little tiny bit in here. And don't need a lot, just the colour. So this is another one here, a little wee bit more. The blue and the yellow just have that Van Gogh-y feel about them to me, which is why when I saw them there, I said, right, we have to get those ones. They're all on our website, so using the medium, which is more how I like to work. Isn't that lovely on there, that surface? Now, if I add, again, this is really liquidy. So this is really good for on fabrics. So another little one here. Put that into there. You have separate ones and label them all so you know what you've got. So for working onto fabrics, you're using, I'll just get that a bit of a wash. And look how beautiful that is on there. And it's almost got a sparkle as well, which is quite interesting. And that will keep it, it'll set. Beautiful, use it with stencils, with stamps, whatever you're doing. You can also add them into gamelin wax. This is a bit sort of, just put my finger in for that one. And you get a nice waxy surface. You can see how they go there. And you can put them in anything. You've got nail varnish. If you've been out and bought nail varnish to have a go with stitching, if you've got any clear nail varnish, add them into there. They'll make wonderful effects. And also, I won't tip it out, but whoops, a daisy. acrylic wax, which is another one that can be used to mix any medium too. So it's the same, it just looks like textile medium. All these mediums look alike half the time, so sort of thinking about it, I like the matte mediums mostly. So there, I think this here looks really beautiful, so I'll just do a little bit more just while I'm looking around here. There you go. So that's the wax, the Ochres of Provence. It's just lovely if when you go to Provence and you see them. And I've got instruction sheet that goes with them that tells you how they were created and different ways that you can use them. So you can use them on any of your fabrics you've got, Tyvek, Lutridur, anything that you're working on. Don't be frightened, and it's all about experimenting with them. So I hope that's been a little bit useful, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.